This video is for our molecule kits. So before we get started, I want you to take a look at how nicely these are put together. So you can see, right, like all of the black ones are nicely in this bag. All of the connectors are nicely in this bag. You need to put them back together this way. Like, let's please not leave them all over the classroom. Put them nicely back together for the next people to use, okay? So you are going to be looking at the elements in the molecular formula. So a molecular formula is just these letters and numbers here. It's telling us the elements and molecules that make up the molecule. So you're going to pull out the correct number of colored atoms to build the molecule. So every time you have one of these little balls, that is an atom. And you're going to use the little short connectors to build your molecule. So if you remember, atoms are bonded together. They have to be connected. Otherwise, you just have an element, just a pile of atoms. So you want to start with the largest atoms and you want to build patterns out. So our white are hydrogen, O's are oxygen, the red, carbons are C, black, nitrogen are N, they're blue, sodium is Na, lowercase a, those are the green ones. Every time we have a capital letter, H-O-C-N-N-A, it's not really, we're just looking for that N there, that is representing an element. If there's not a number between that element, it's like an invisible 1. And that is telling us how many elements we have. Every time we see that capital letter, that is representing a different type of element. And the number tells us how many type of that atom we have. So if we don't see a number, that just says that there's one of them. If we see a number, that number says how many. So you have 3 jobs here. So let's take a look. We need a picture. We need to count how many elements there are and count how many atoms. So first we need Na, which is green. And I have no number here. So that's an invisible 1. So I'm going to pull out a green and I need a Cl. Oh, I don't have a Cl. We'll just pretend that's purple. And we'll pretend Cl is purple. And I'm going to connect them together here. And I'm going to draw a picture of that. So I have my green one, I have my purple one, and I need to label them. Otherwise, they are just random things. So my green is Na, my purple is Cl, and they are connected together. So how many elements do I have? I have 1 capital letter here. I have 1 capital letter here. So this is made up of 2 elements. I have sodium and I have chloride. And then how many atoms do I have? Well, I have 1 here and 1 here. This has 1, this has 1. I have 2 atoms. So now let's try our aluminum one. So again, I don't have an aluminum up here. So I'm going to use my purple again. And I can see 2 of those. So I'm going to pull out 2 purples because I can see the 2 here. And I am going to connect those together. And then I have 3 O's, which are red. So I'm going to pull out 3 reds, and I need to connect these all together. So I'm going to connect these all together. Apparently on a video, this is a lot harder than in real life. So connecting. And here we go. Oh, I need one more connector here. And Okay, so I'm going to draw my model here. So I have 2 purples and I have 3 reds. So my purples are my aluminums, Al, and my O's are oxygen, O, 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 and then I need to bond them all together. So now I'm going to count my elements. I have an A that's capitalized and O that's capitalized. So I have 2 elements. This is made up of aluminum and oxygen. And then how many atoms? Well, I have 2 aluminum ones, 3 oxygen ones. So it's made up of 5 total atoms. So I can see 5 total pieces it's made up of. So you're going to grab your paper from the manipulation station and one of the molecule kits and go ahead and follow the directions. Make sure you keep the molecule kit put nicely back together as you work on this.